Hello, hi, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to duplicate or delete section and note in Odoo 19. So let's dive into the sales module. From here, you can just create a new quotation. So for that, you can choose new button. And here, let's fill out the details of the customer. The customer is Joel Wells. And here, I just want to add a section. Okay, so choose add a section. So as you just choose add a section here, we can provide the option demo over here. And here you can see that in Odoo 19, we have the option to get the three dots, the settings of this section. So as you just move on to there, you can see that we can easily add the product under this section. And let me add a product from here, which is requested block screen. And now if you want to add any notes for this section, you can easily add that. Or if you want to again add a section, you can also just add a section or subsection. So if I just want to add a subsection for this, uh, I can add that. Okay, so let's say I'm going to add a subsection called demo 1, and let me add it over here. And if you want to just drag it and place, you can also just do the dragging, which is a feature almost available till previous version. And now if you want to add a note, you can easily add the note over here. This is an example for note. And once it's been done, you can see that if you want to delete the note, you can also delete that. And here we have the option to duplicate. So if you want to duplicate this section, demo and everything, you can simply click on duplicate and you can see that that will be duplicated over here. And if you want to delete the duplicated one or any particular section or subsection or anything, you can simply choose the delete button and this would delete it from the order lines. So this feature will be available for the sales quotation, as you just move on to the purchase module. Also here you can see that as we click on new button, here you can find we have the same option like adding the section, adding the note. So that feature will be also available under the request for quotation also. So I hope this video clarifies how to get the duplication or deletion of a section or note in Odoo 19. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.